Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trading options on Webull, you know how important it is to protect your investments from sudden market swings. In this video, we're going to cover how to set a stop loss for options on Webull in 2025. This feature helps you automatically sell your position if it hits a certain price, minimizing losses and keeping your portfolio safe. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will get you up to speed quickly. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Webull app installed on your device. Log into your account and navigate to the Trade tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, select Options from the available asset types. Now, search for the specific option contract you want to trade by entering the stock symbol and choosing the expiration date and strike price. Once you've selected your option, tap on it to open the order entry screen. Look for the Order Type drop-down menu. Here, you'll find options like Market, Limit, and Stop Loss. Choose Stop Loss as your order type. Next, enter the stop price, the level at which you want the order to trigger. For example, if you own a call option and the stock drops below a certain value, set that as your stop price to sell automatically. Don't forget to set your stop loss quantity and any additional parameters, like the time in force, such as day or good till cancelled. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, then hit Review Order and confirm. Boom! You've just set up your stop loss. A quick tip: always test this in a paper trading account first to avoid real losses. Remember, markets can be volatile, so combining stop losses with other strategies like position sizing can enhance your risk management. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.